Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my May monthly and my big happy planner, which is my catch-all. Now I am redating an 18-month planner that actually doesn't start until July this year. But if you'll notice, I have whited out the top up here because this is July 2024, and I've whited out like the holidays in here. July 2024 matches up with May 2023. That's why I have my own label over top here. So just in case you're wondering why I've whited out things here. And hang on, my fan just blew some stuff away. Alright, so I used JoJo Plans dated 6898 sticker book, and I got the May, and then I grabbed a 20 and a 23 off of her dates pages. So we're just going to stick these up top so that I know that this is May 2023. And we're going to put the 2023 over top of this whiteout over here. Alright, okay. And so the stickers I'm going to use to decorate this spread are new to my shop as of April 28th, which is a Friday. These are called Groovy Spring. Now, I love these stickers. They are adorable. I love the colors. I love everything about the Groovy Spring stickers. So I do have the large sticker sheet, the small, and the mini. And then I also have the colorful boxes. I do not have the kit because I'm probably not going to want to use the kit right now. I do have some Artist Loft dot markers, and then I have some washi picked out that I want to use that also matches. So I just kind of want to get started with like this Volkswagen van. Because this is like the epitome of groovy, right? It's just groovy. And so I want to put it down here in the corner. Again, I'm not whiting out anything, just because. And so let's see. I kind of want to put a butterfly like around the van. So we have that butterfly. And then I think I want to put another butterfly. Uh-oh, I don't have another butterfly. Oh, okay. I guess I can use this butterfly. I'm going to use the bigger one. Okay. And so there we go. And then let's see what we can do on this page. And so the main reason I started down here in this bottom corner is because there's no dates across the bottom. But there's dates everywhere else except these two boxes and this one box up here. So I kind of want to do... I need to find some quotes. I wonder what kind of quotes I can find. I'm going to look in Amber Plans Her Day, Go Wild Memories. Let's see if we can find some quotes in here. Honestly, I love these quotes. Let's see what we can find. Live boldly. Trust the... You're one of a kind. This week looks wild. Yeah. This really matches. Wild, free, and totally happy. This definitely matches with groovy. Well, in my mind it does. I'm having a hard time getting this sticker off of this page. Okay. Alright, so we have that one. And then what else do we have? This is mainly for Go Wild memory keeping, of course, as it says, which I have not done yet because, you know, it's me and I am behind on everything. planner wise, but there are some really cute quotes in here. I also like Wild and Beautiful. So I can't get these stickers off the pages. Okay. All right, Wild and Beautiful. So I kind of want to put Wild and Beautiful down here. Down there. And then we'll put Wild, Free, and Totally Happy up at the top. But I definitely want to put it like with another sticker. So let's try to put it with that sticker and then Wild, Free, and Totally Happy. Oh, just like right here. Crooked. I've got my door closed and I have no idea what my grand doggy is doing out there, but he's making a lot of noise. I may have to stop and go check on him because I think he is breaking all the rules at this point. I want to put this little peace sign over here too. Just because. It's fitting. Okay, now let's come in with some boxes. I almost feel like I want to come in with a box like kind of up here. So let's try maybe like right here. Like right there. And I would love, I'm going to put this sticker down at the bottom underneath this box. It has the roller skate, the guitar, and the butterfly. The butterfly is like totally sideways, but you know, maybe the butterfly got into something he shouldn't have. I don't know. But yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Okay, so now I'm going to try to maybe take some florals because y'all know I like to do florals in my corners. Let's do some florals and maybe a butterfly. In this top left corner, I'm going to white out notes. And then let's go with the big yellow here. And we'll go with a pink here. And we'll go with a blue here. And then the butterfly here. I'm going to cut the butterfly so that he kind of sits on top of this box. He, she, it, whatever it is. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. All right, now and let's take these. I'm not sure that I'm going to reuse the little smiley florals. Actually, I lied. I'm going to use, uh-oh, I just messed that up. But I'm going to use this one over here. Just because I feel like I need a little bit of something over there. All right, and then let's see what else we can do. I want something across the top on this side, so we're just going to go with some sunglasses, and I think we're going to go with a peace sign, maybe a couple of florals, like that. Uh-oh, it's crooked, but it's okay. And then do I have the mini sheets? Yes, the mini sheet here. I want the little pink. And I think I'm going to put the little blue here. Alright, so now I kind of want to straighten him up. I think this little floral is a little bit too crooked, so we're going to straighten him up a little bit. Alright, really, really cute. Okay, so now I kind of feel like I need some more over here, so let's just keep going. We're going to do this here. And then we're going to just go with that. All right, so now we have it all the way across the top. So now we're just going to put in some boxes. Now the only thing that I really have for May, actually that's June. My birthday is in May, so I'm going to get a pink box for my birthday, which is May 25th. My birthday. And so there's not really anything else that I know of going on in May. So I'm just going to put a couple boxes like randomly. Just because, why not? And so I think I'm going to put a box here. And then I'll take a pink box and put randomly, like maybe right here. Just to cover up this white out. Okay. All right, cute, cute. And then let's just take some cute little stickers and kind of just place alongside of the boxes. Let's see, that's on this side. So why don't we put this on this side? And we'll just kind of cut off that crooked butterfly. You know, the one that got into something he wasn't supposed to, that made him fly crooked. All right, and then we're going to put the little Volkswagen down here. And then I think I'm going to put a rainbow down here. So we're just going to kind of cut this so that it just kind of comes right off the box. And of course it's crooked because it's me that we're talking about over here. And then I'm going to take these little shades and just put in the top of that box. Look how cute that is. So I used a whole little mini sheet here. I did not use this whole sheet, but that is okay. I kind of want to come like over here and just like right off, just because I want this color over here on this side, so we're going to do that. All right, look how cute that is. Okay, and then I didn't say this through any of my other Plan With Me's, but off camera, I always go through and like smooth down my clear stickers so that they, I don't know, they just lay better on the page. So like these, you can see, like, I don't know, you can just tell it's a sticker, but then once I smooth it down, it lays on top of the page like perfectly. So let's see what we can do with a little bit of washi tape. And I think I want to go like across the bottom here with this pink and white stripe. Again, it's always a challenge to me to get it to lay down like really well and straight. Okay, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto and just cut down there, and I will go ahead and cut here. And I think we're going to cut this at an angle to go like that. Now, I did notice that this is hanging off the page, so we're going to kind of try to straighten this up just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's better. And then that's better. Okay. And so now I have my pink and white. And then where's my other washi that I had? Oh, right here beside my hand. This washi, I'm just going to kind of like lay it randomly. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it, but we're just going to put it. So we'll put some here. Again, I'm having a hard time putting it down where I need it to go. It's It's really hard to work, as I've said before, with this little tiny washi. Okay, and then I think I want to put like a little bit more down here. Like that. All right, and then I want to put, okay, so I got it there, so I'm going to go here and here. So I'm just going to kind of put it like, stagger it a little bit different on this side so that it's not exactly the same as the other side. Cut that there and then put it here. Whoops. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's really cute the way that I've got that laid there. I wish I had, uh-oh, look what I did there. I pulled that too tight and it didn't even stick. So this is why I say not to pull your washi too tight, because now it may not even line up. It's close enough, but if you pull it too tight and then you try to adjust it, it may not go all the way to the edge. I really wish that I had some light pink washi, like skinny washi, that I could go on these opposite lines, but I don't think that I do, because all the Happy Planner washi has these, I don't know, it has stuff on it. I don't know, what's this look like? Let's just try it and see. Let's see what happens. I think this, I don't know, this may not even be Happy Planner washi. This might be Amazon washi. And it doesn't really match the greatest. I don't like it. I can just tell you right off the bat, I don't like it. So, I don't know. That's about all the skinny washi that I have. Yeah. And that's basically it. So, yeah, I'm not going to be able to use any pink kind of skinny washi. I feel like this washi is like too thick to go underneath or at the bottom. I don't know. I just don't feel like I like that. So, yeah, no, it's too thick. And, I mean, I could put it on my paper cutter and cut it in half and yada, yada, yada. I don't know. If I do that, I'm going to do it off camera. So if you see that on my spread, you'll know I decided to do that off camera. But right now, I'm not going to mess with it. So for now, we'll say that is it for this spread. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure if you're on Instagram and TikTok, you're following me on those two platforms. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.